Now that your two ear shapes and your headband are cut out, start to draw the pattern. So on the headband base, I drew circle outlines first. Make sure that they are large enough. And then what I did was I colored in carefully the space around the circles with the blue so that the centers of the circles are white. Now I have the headband base all colored in. For the ears, I'm going to make an outline where the inner ear would normally be, the pink inner ear, but this time I'm going to make it blue. And then I'm going to make 4 circles to try to match the headband base. And color in behind in the background. Then for the outer ear, I'm going to make small blue dots. Now that the ears and the headband base are colored exactly how I want them, I'm going to get the glue stick and I'm going to put glue on the back of one tip, and I'm going to open up the slit that I made and I'm going to slide the tip in to the slit and I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to press the tip flat against the inside of the headband base. Now, the ear is facing the outside, so I'm going to hold on to that glued tip, and I'm going to take my fingers and carefully pinch at the bottom to make a crease so that it faces the front. Repeat with the second ear. Glue the tip. It can help to sort of bend the headband to open that slit up further. Slide the tip of the ear inside. Press it flat against the inside. Hold on to the tip. Pinch at the bottom to fold a crease, and then both the ears will face forward. Now, at this point, if you haven't made a face on the egg, I recommend doing this first in case you make a face that you don't like. I'm just going to do simple 2 black dots for the eyes. Make one line that's diagonal, going one direction, and then one line diagonal, going the other direction for the nose. For the mouth, I'm just going to make a line with a curve at the bottom to look like the capital letter J, and then make a second curved line going the opposite way to look like a backwards J. Now that I have a face drawn on my egg, I'm going to glue the headband base with my glue stick before pressing it on top of the egg.